Hi, it's Marion from Céline Martine, and today I am giving a little tutorial on how to create this style with our beautiful Josephine wired head wraps. So here we go. This is the Josephine wired head wrap animal print in extra length, and I'm going to show you how to style it bandana style. So you place it on your head like you normally do. And then what I like to do is just flick in the jersey band as such. Then don't pull the fabric too much towards the front nor the back. Just keep it loose, making sure you've really tucked in the jersey band all the way around. And then you take your two wings, and instead of pulling them to the front, you actually pull them to the back. What you want to do is just tuck in the excess fabric here underneath, tuck it in here underneath, and twist and twist again. So I've done it quite tightly now, so it's pulled. I'm just making sure the trick here, I think, is not to make it too tight. So let's try again. Okay, so it looks good. Tuck in that fabric there. Can't see it on the other side. And then all I'm doing is really just giving a twist or two, as such. And then really just bring the two, they call wings normally, to the front. And that is bandana style, pretty chill. You can also let the wings just go towards the back as such. That works well as well. You can bring them to the forward if you want and do a little twist there. It's less bandana style, but nonetheless also a style. I also like the rosette knot, which is really basically continuing the twist with the two on each other. I'm doing it really quick here. And then just twisting it around the original twist. Pull it slightly to the side. You can do it more to the side. It's a pretty cool look. Then let me show you how it looks like with a knot or without the wire. So without the wire, I tend to do then just a knot, and the benefit of that is that the fabric just falls loosely. The disadvantage is that you have less twisting options, which it really depends what style you want, but you can pull the wires in and out as you wish. All right, so here we go again. Whoop. On. Just flicking it around all the way. Okay, so now towards the back, tucking in that excess fabric, and I'm just going to do a knot, making sure you don't pull your hair through, and another knot. And that, because of the jersey, it stays in place, not going anywhere, and looks just naturally like a scarf. What do you think? If you like this video, hit like and subscribe and share it with your friends who you think it might help. And if you have any comments whatsoever, questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. Okay, bye.